heed a certain call when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free, as God has shown us by turning stone to bread. And so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Oh, there's a choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day. Just you and me.
Good evening, everyone. Sorry for this. Maybe for us, it's the first time these bright lights, and also we really practiced. It was very good at home, but here I think it was just too overwhelming. So sorry for this. Would like to start by saying thank you for giving us this time and this space in the midst of your celebration, and this means a lot. I'm here to tell you a bit more about Sandesh, what we do, and a little bit more about active leadership. Sandesh is a community for members of our society with intellectual and developmental disabilities, and for those who are ready to journey alongside with them and work alongside with them. It's been 5 years we have started, and we are altogether around 60 members who are actively involved in the community. In the small performance we had today, there is a word that came up, was giving. And as I was reflecting about it, I realized that this word sometimes is taken in quite a narrow way. When we think about giving, the thing that comes straight in our mind is either in kind or in money. That's what people ask. But this word is really important for us, or NGOs like us, We do wait for people to give us, yes, not only money or material, which surely is very important for us, because that's how we carry on, But there is something more important, which we wait for people to give us, like today, maybe we got it, is time. We wait for people to give us a smile, a little importance, a little respect, friendship, love. And this is so nice to give and to receive. This essence of life is really taught to us by our members in Sandesh, who continue, whatever happens, to give us all these things without any conditions. Especially the last, the love, is received without any condition. To talk a little bit about effective leadership, as that's your theme today, I feel that to have this, the most important thing, and to have the continuous growth, we need to invest time, need to give appreciation and encouragement. In Sandesh, our life is in a little different pace. We are pulled and sometimes pushed to go slow, to wait, and to listen. And I can truly say to you that I have witnessed change in every way just by waiting and by trusting. We can observe this growth with time. A very little smile, someone who is able to eat by oneself, maybe just able to indicate toilet need, able to join work, or maybe even work independently, to count, to differentiate the color, to be social, talk to the visitors, and like we did today, just to come and perform. All this is the growth that happened very, very slowly. But yes, we trusted it will happen, and we do trust that it will go on. We need to invest time. And when we invest time, wonders do happen. We believe that we all are here for a reason, the same like for you and for me. It is the same even for our members. There are just a little few points less in the IQ scale. But just because of that, I don't feel that life can be cruel to them. And Sandesh aims in spreading the message of love for all without giving the importance to abilities. We all are aware that everyone here also is different in their abilities and skill. But there is a common thread that is bounding us, and that is life itself. It's not all the time. We do talk a lot about IQ. I feel that sometimes we should talk about HQ, and that's our heart quotient. What we learn in Sandesh is that, can I live without wearing a mask? Am I ready to love and be loved in return? Am I ready to forgive and carry on in life? And am I just be happy as I am, no matter what people think about me? These are just few of the questions we are faced in everyday life. Our members teach us a lot in life, and I feel they are our active leaders to carry on, just to continue without wearing a mask, or maybe just showing something else to somebody when inside I am really feeling something different. In Sandesh, we work a lot hard in our workshop units, where we work. Maybe some of you must have seen some of our products. We did put a stall today morning here. We work towards a goal. Everybody has a very small little goals. We all take responsibilities in daily rhythm. It can be cleaning the house or even cleaning the dishes. And it is our responsibility to see that each one is happy and safe. We are a team that works together. When I say all this, it doesn't mean that we don't face challenges. The biggest challenge is to work together. Yes, and we are 90% ladies, so it is a tough thing to work together more, I guess. But it is also the working together with our differences, with our own mood swings, with anxiety, with worries, even a challenge to convince parents to give a chance to their children, even if it is tough sometimes. And sometimes we do get success, and sometimes there is a failure, and we do feel very helpless not to support all the children we can. Friends and visitors brighten our day. We have various therapies, yoga, meditation, games, meetings, and these all things help us to cope up with our difficulties. We are a really small, very small community, but our dreams and desires are big. We dream of a society that will welcome and recognize members with intellectual disability as individuals with feelings. Not to have any sympathy for them, but just to be open for friendship. And we all are silently working towards our dream. We are very tiny, and our existence may not bring any big wave in this society as for now. But one thing I can really assure you, that we are able to make a tiny, tiny ripple in each heart that comes in contact with us. Thank you once again for giving us this time. And together, I think we can make many ripples. Wishing you a beautiful evening ahead. Thank you.